Hello everyone. Now I am going to show you some activities by the things that are present at home. So first of all I am showing you condensation. As you know that what is condensation. So what is condensation? When air becomes cool and convert into water drops. The water that is present in air become condense and convert into water drops is called condensation. So you can see this is a glass and cool water is filled inside it. So you can see that some drops of water are present outside the glass. So from where these water drops are coming? Do you know? Water is coming from inside. So from where this water is coming? Here is water. Water is outside because in this glass is cold water. What is filled in this glass? Cold water. So from where this water is coming from outside? You know this thing? This water is coming from air that is present around it. From where? The air that is present around it. When the air touch this cool surface, when the air touch this cool surface, so the water that is present in the air, what is the water that is present in the air in the form of gases convert into liquid by touching the cool surface. So that this is called condensation. Have you understood this? What is condensation? When the water that is present in the air in the gaseous form convert into liquid form by touching the cool surface. Because in this glass I have filled cool water, icy water, so that outside, because this glass become cool, the layer become cool. So when the hot air touch this glass, so the water present in the air in the form of gases convert into liquid form, means in the form of water. So this is called condensation. Have you understood this all? What is condensation? Now I am going to show you diffusion. So what is diffusion? When particles of matter move very fast and intermix in the surrounding. So intermixing of the particles of matter is called diffusion. So when your mother make food and you can smell the food in your room, how? Because of diffusion. And I am showing you diffusion as you can see that this is a dhoop stick. When I have burned, so the smell is coming from this dhoop and smoke also. In a few seconds this smell spread in whole room. How? Because particles of matter, means gaseous particles, move very fast and intermix in the whole surrounding. So this is called diffusion. How can you smell the food that your mother is making inside the kitchen? Because of diffusion. So you can smell the food. And here this is dhoop stick. When I burn it, what happened? The smell of this dhoop spread in whole room because of diffusion. So what is diffusion? Intermixing of particles of gases around us very fast. This is called diffusion. Now I am showing you there must be a millions of tiny particles. what is? There must be a tiny particles dividing themselves into smaller and smaller particles. How can we show it? Means this is potassium permanganate, and a small particle of potassium permanganate is made by 1,000 particles. Small particle made by 1,000. As how can we show it? If we add small amount of potassium permanganate in the glass, and what happened? The particles mixes very much fast, and when we add this potassium permanganate into another glass that is filled by water, and when we add water, then we can say that the color is not changing, and when we add more water, then color will change, but we can see the color that will become lighter and lighter. Means particles of matter, means tiny particles dividing themselves into smaller and smaller particles. Means a small particle. A small particle is also made up of thousands of particles. So we can see that the example of potassium permanganate. If we add this potassium permanganate water in more water, then it become lighter. But you can see the color. Color will not disappear. So when will color disappear? When you will add more and more and more water. So what do you mean by this thing? This thing is, I am understanding by this thing that a tiny particle is made up of smaller and smaller particles. Have you understood this? What is condensation? When the water that is present in the air in the gaseous form, when touch any cool surface, convert into water. What will convert? Gaseous form. Touch with cool surface, when gaseous form, gas touch cool surface, convert into water drops. Convert into liquid form. Next is diffusion. Means the particles of gases move very fast in air. Means they have very less force of attraction, so that they move very fast. So that when your mother made food in kitchen, so you can smell inside your room. How? Because of diffusion. Now a very small particle is made up of thousands of particles. So we can see this by the example of potassium permanganate. So thank you very much. Thank you all.